Hello students, class 12. Let's start our study English. So today is the third chapter, Deep Water. It's by William Douglas. William Douglas, writer have here expresses in this chapter as the autobiographical, means his own experience he had shared in this chapter. Okay, and he had shared an incident and one thing, means because a deep rooted fear means become in his life since childhood, and how he came overcome from that fear he have expresses in this chapter. This chapter is extracts taken from the book Men and Mountains, and writer have written in this chapter about the base. If you want, you can do anything else, and you can got victory on any challenge if you will decide firmly. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Means the author started fearing water since the age of 4, and it starts when he was visiting California with his father. He went there near to river, and there that time he visits beach where wave knocks him down, sweeps over him. This terrifies the author, although father laughs at him. Means he was in fear and his father was laughing at him, because means due to he thought it's due to childhood, but means this fear is in his mind and heart deeply. Okay, means however this experience terrified and he develops it, means his age being increases and his fear also be increases day by day. Okay, and he was living the bank of river Yakima river were there, and his mother has also alerted him, don't go there near to that river Yakima, because it is very dangerous and its waves also very dangerous. But means from that time since childhood, due to mother's alertness, guidance, and due to his own experience, he become much more fearful towards water. Okay, his fear also developed and terrified when he was at 11-year old. That time he went there near to means bank of river Yakima, and he was means trying to learn swimming there, but a bully had came and pushed him into the water, and he went 9 feet means deep into the water, and that day means was very frightening for him, because means he was unable to swim, but no one was knowing about it. And then means he went inside and he had pushed by his legs for coming upper side, but means after trying a lot and a lot effort, he was unable to do something better for him. Means sometimes he was coming outside, but again he went downside. In this way, means this circumstance, this situation running sometime, and he had done whatever he can do on that time. He had done all efforts, and means his body particles, his legs and his hands seems like become paralyzed due to those hard efforts, and means end time he become ready means for the death. He had presented himself near to death, and he become lazy that time. But means when his eyes being open, he was means out from the water, and a person was pushing his backbone, and that time means when his eyes being opened, he got a new life. Okay, means this incident had also made much more fearful and frightened the writer means towards the water. And from that day when he came at home, means after some time, he had decided he must will be challenged about it, and he will must means overcome from this fear, and he had decided to learn swimming. And in this way he had joined a swimming teacher, and after that means he started to learning swimming. Okay, and he had learned swimming means 3 months, 4 months, and after that he become able to swimming. Even he have fear, but he had means done all the things, and all the adjustment he had done for overcome this fear. Okay, means when in his life it become problem for him, that time writer had made it his challenge of life. Okay, so means after that he had learned swimming, and he had also crossed the river himself. Okay, his instructor had taught him canoeing, swimming, and a lot of tricks of swimming, like inside the water, inhaling, exhaling. He had taught him. And after that, means after a lot of practice, he went there, New Hampshire, and he had decided to cross the river himself by any hook and crook. And he had done also. That time when he had crossed the river, he became very happy, and he had said that he had conquered on that fear, means he got victory on that fear. And in this way means writer here want to expresses that nothing is impossible in the world if anyone firmly decide to do for that. Okay, and writer had done also, and he become over of fear of water, and he become a good swimmer. And from that day his life means become a start by a new way. Okay, means in this way we can say that as the conclusion of the chapter, sum up of the chapter, if we have courage, we can face any challenge. And writer has also faced this challenge after collecting the courage, because means firstly he was become nervous, but he had also decided he must will come over of this fear. And we also can got victory on any challenge if we will face it very courageously. Okay, so we should never means left our hope, and we should be hopeful, courageous, and each and every field of our life. Okay, thanks.